how to create Weverse account. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the any web browser and search for the Weverse. There you will get to see Weverse official website. Simply tap on it and navigate to its website. Once you're in its website, all you have to do is look for the sign up option on the home page. You can see it in the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. Now all you have to do is, in order to sign up, you can use an email address or via your social media account. Select your preferred method. If you choose to sign up using an email, then you will have to enter email address and create a password. If you select social media, you will have to log in with your chosen platform's credentials. Now all you have to do is review the terms of services and privacy policy and check the box to agree to the terms and then proceed. If you used an email for sign up, a verification email will be sent to you. Check your email inbox, open the message from Weverse and click the verification link to confirm your email. After verification, you'll be prompted to set your nickname. You may also need to provide your country and language preferences and many more. After that, you can now access exclusive content, join fan communities, watch videos and participate in discussion. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.